Hello guys, in this video we have to discuss very important topic. We have to import the data from SQL using from Power BI to SQL. So how we go for the SQL query? So simple click on the SQL server, okay, and copy the name of the SQL server. Like I have already showed the previous video, you can simple paste here, and you can write the database name here. I just put it DKS DBA. My database name is DBA, and here I will come to advanced option, and here I will mention the query. So first of all, I would like to see my table. Select asterisk from employee details EMP details. Okay, simple click OK after writing the queries. So you can see the OK button here. Click OK. Just wait for the moment, guys. It's loading now. As you can see my table 3 4 5 Nihal Pooja Amit, this is ID, right? Again I will come back to my SQL just for the match the table exact record, because after delete we have to check back again. So I will use here DKS DBA, as you can see here, and I will select and F5 run this. I will write the table names using select statement. Select asterisk from EMP details, okay, EMP details. Very simple, run this. So now you can see matching same record 3, 4, 5 here as well. Even you can see Power BI also 3, 4, 5. Okay, now I'm going to delete the record from Power BI. So how will go ahead? Again come back to the Power BI. Okay, you can load the data from here and come back to this. Just wait for a moment, guys. Okay, again SQL Server we come back, and I'm going to delete the record. So I will delete my record from Power BI using SQL query. It will also reflect in SQL database as well in that same table. Okay, so click it and just wait for the moment. So you can see mention query. Again I will click on the SQL, and here I will paste it here, and database name DKSDB. Now come to the advanced option, click on this, and here I will write the query. I will write here select delete from where EMP details, where employee ID equals to, suppose I given 3 here. So your employee ID 3 who? Nihal existing. So let's click OK and run this. So I will simply click OK here. And now you're going to see my data here. Just wait for a moment, guys, it's loading. So as you can see, the record affected one means one value deleted from my table. I want to cross check in SQL as well. Come to the SQL back and run this query. Select a statement F5. Now you can see 3 ID has been deleted from my table. So I hope you like it. Thank you so much.